We are at Lake Punderson State Park this weekend, and we just wanted to show you what a weekend glamping looks like for us. So we will take you on all our adventures through the park and show you what it's like. Cheese.
This is so good, guys. This is so good.
We are having sausage, egg, and cheese
Yeah,
burritos.
Don't move the camera, baby.
We are going to walk up to the playground and do a fossil class with the kids. Probably just play on the playground more than anything. But yeah, they're gonna ride their bikes, scooters, whatever they've got. And then after that, we will probably go fishing, maybe go on a hike. So we went to the fossil class. It was kind of a bust. Everything was already kind of done. There were a ton of kids, which was awesome, but it was taking a while. So we just let the kids play on the playground for a little while. I am going to pack lunch. We're gonna go on a hike. Halfway through the hike, we are gonna fish and finish it. It's about 2.5 miles long. But yeah, we're just gonna take our lunch, probably just pack sandwiches and some snacks and sit around with the dogs and the kids. We are about to go on about a 2.5 mile hike. In the middle of the hike though, there is a lake. So we're gonna stop, we're gonna eat lunch. I'm gonna fish. They might try to fish, but they'll probably just play and eat. So, yeah, I packed lunch. We have ham and cheese sandwiches, apple butter and peanut butter sandwiches, and some snacks. And we'll probably just hang out there for a few hours. Also, we have these, which are like the best invention ever. They're just silicone and they like compress the food so it doesn't go anywhere. Cove is also transitioning out of this. AJ wears it, but it's great for packing lunch, so we still bring it whether she's being carried in it or not, just because it's great space. And we have a puppy. She's about 4 months old, so we don't like to take her on super long hikes, so we'll actually throw her in this when Cope's not in it. I'm taking all my tackle, so I won't be taking my normal trail running vest that I typically wear on a hike. I'm gonna use a bigger, I think it's a 25 liter pack, with tackle, poles, and everything else I bring hiking. I already have one Paw Patrol fishing pole, my fishing pole, and then I'll add Koi's fishing pole to it. It has tackle boxes and everything else in it, my net. And I'll just add some water bottles, a water filter just in case we need more, a first aid kit, and my cooler cloth. The crew has her own backpack.
And so do I, but I'm not doing it.
Bringing her markers, her coloring books, her first aid kit. She's really ready. Some bug spray bracelets, and some toys so she can play by the lake. She also has a cooler cloth, just in case she needs to go to the bathroom. So we are on trail. We're taking the Erie Trail around Stump Lake, and we're gonna try to find a really good spot. It's super muddy though. It looks like some cute camping spots on the trail. It's super cute. Oh, it's a part of that camp spot right there. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I want to do that spot if we come back. We have the dogs with us. All the kids have their packs on. Crew's coming up the rear. Per usual. Pretty muddy. It is pretty muddy, but that's why we got our hiking shoes on. Oh, just kidding. Koi's got Crocs on. It's super muddy out.
Mom, look at my shoes.
Abby is so muddy. Koi has Crocs on. Like, that was not the brightest decision, but we're having fun. Koi's dragging us everywhere.
Ow.
Because she's a turd
Hey.
and forgot all of her training ever.
Abby, come down. Come down.
This is actually the biggest hot spot for the fishing map, but comes out to a giant road. So I don't really want to post up here and listen to the cars the whole time. So I think we're gonna continue to walk around the lake a little bit. Oh, Everest found a dead turtle. Oh. Abby found a dead turtle that she is currently munching on. There's part of the turtle shell. Oh, Abby, ew. Lots of cool mushrooms on the logs.
Mama, keep
So,
going.
so muddy.
Not over here.
I now understand why the hot spot on the lake was by the road, because there's nowhere else to sit. It is a really pretty lake.
No, where the fish at?
No, there's not really anywhere close to fish. Like right over there, there's like a picnic spot. So we're gonna finish the rest of the loop around there, head down there. Crew is not having it right now. We're coming up onto our spot, our picnic spot. It has been 1.8 miles so far. Again, I think I didn't start my watch until we were about like, I don't even know, maybe 0.5, 0.75 miles into the hike. Uh-oh, there's trash. Yeah, so come up to that. We already did a full loop around the lake. We're coming back up to that picnic spot. Also, my backpack is super uncomfortable. This is the Cotopaxi Lagos 25. I normally carry my Inca 28 that they don't make anymore, and I definitely prefer that. This one, I don't know, it really hurts my back. Could just be the way I have it on though. I didn't really tailor it to my body before we took off because we were trying to take off pretty quick. I think we should be coming up on the picnic spot though, and we'll just chill there for a while. There's like super dense vegetation at this picnic site, as you can see. So it's pretty hard to get through that, especially fishing with kids. So I might check another spot. I might walk, or we might just fish later at the main lake. And just kind of chill out here for a little bit. The pups are just sleeping. Got 2 miles. Warm out. Just stop it. Go put the fishing pole down. Oh my God. Go.
Hey, young man. No. No, that's the law.
So we stayed at that spot. I'd say we were there for about an hour. Now we're just gonna finish up, head back to the camper for a little bit. Probably get showers because it is just sopping. It's rough. Probably get some showers and maybe head up to the main lake, let the kids play at the playground, and I will finally do some fishing, hopefully. We're back at the camper. We just played at the playground for a little while. The dock was full.
Yeah.
I had at least 25 people trying to fish on it. So I decided not to. I am finding that it's really hard to get to the lake here. Like, it's really high vegetation. And the banks are cliffs, a lot of it. So tomorrow I think we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna try to find some other more secluded docks. I think there's a boardwalk too, but it's currently 5:08 and we're gonna make dinner on the fire. We're just making quesadillas. So something simple. We try to keep it pretty simple. What'd you do? We're just making quesadillas and watermelon for dinner. AJ made cookies.
Dye-free and organic cookies. Made by the owner of the Charmed Cottage.
Who are you gonna plug?
Call me RuPaul.
I'm out here eating s'mores alone. AJ did have one with me because the girls, all the kids found friends and they're running around the campground now. So the boys are off to take showers at the shower house. Our hot water tank is currently broke, so that's our shower right now. Our backpacks, dirty clothes, drying towels. The girls and I did already shower tonight. We went over there before the boys did. And their shower houses here are so-so. There's hot water. We typically don't get that at state parks. You get like warmer water, but it's really nice to have some really hot water. It's very old school, just like your typical high school locker room. So that part does suck. A lot of Ohio state parks are being upgraded. A lot of them that we've gone to is actually a singular room. Like each shower house, there's, I think the last one we were at, there were 5 showers and it was a separate part of the building. So each one had their own entrance and you could lock it and you'd have the whole area, which is really nice for a family when I'm taking all of my kids or at least my girls in there. It's really nice because I don't have to worry about anything. I can actually shower completely and not worry about them like walking into someone's stall or doing anything else. It is only 8, but we will get tucked in for the night. My kids' bedtime at home is 8. They normally go to bed at 8. We try to keep that pretty consistent all around just because we do so much. We don't want them crabby the next day. We will let them go to sleep watching a movie, which we don't do at home. We have a DVD player and a TV in their little room. It's a nice setup because it allows us to stay like screen free throughout the day while we're camping, but they still get to go to the thrift store and find some cool DVDs and pick out some things that they may like. And it's really exciting because they only get to do that in here. We're all waking up for the morning. It's just about 8. The dogs and I are outside. We keep our little kitchen set up out here. Oh, Quee really wants some loving. Little girl. AJ times the coffee pot, so we have coffee right when we wake up. Yeah, it gets us outside super early. My older 2 are awake and they're getting dressed and coming outside, and AJ and Covey are still asleep, so we're gonna let them sleep for a little bit longer. I think our plans for the day, there is a fishing class that they're putting on for kids under 16. There's actually even a cast iron cooking class that they're putting on, which I thought was pretty cool, but that's this evening. I think we're gonna go for a hike around the other side of the lake, go fishing, check the beach out. There's a really, really cool lodge that I think we're gonna check out too. Beautiful out. We have this little bird that keeps coming up and talking to us, yelling at us for food. As campers, we all must know that a fed animal is a dead animal. decided not to do the fishing class. You had to reserve a spot, and these two were a little uncertain if they wanted to do it. So we just didn't want to take away a spot for another kid. But we're probably going to go fishing on our own. We're going to do another trail here shortly.
Yeah.
We're going to drive down to the marina. Just because they don't have connecting trails. And so we're gonna drive down to the marina and do the other side of the lake, find the beach, probably pack lunch, and fish, hopefully. Shade. Actually, all the shade. Why don't y'all make your kids wear helmets? It is like the most preventable thing for a brain injury. My kids are not allowed to ride their scooters or their bikes without a helmet. End of story. You cannot get on it, anything, your hoverboard, nothing without a helmet. And when we're camping, we're constantly yelling at them, grab your helmet, make sure your helmet's on when you get on your bike, and they take off. Oh, well, so-and-so's parent, they don't even have a helmet, or this kid's not wearing a helmet. Well, one, I don't care what that kid's doing. And two, why don't those kids own a helmet? It's just crazy to me. I know quite a few people that have ended up with TBIs from falling off of bikes that are in permanently life-altering states. By accident, clearly, but let's put helmets on those kids. I don't care how uncool it is. We are starting the beach trail now. We just drove up to the marina. We have no idea how long this is, and we don't really care. We have lunch. We're just kind of gonna wander around the park. No idea where Koi is. Back there, probably making a scene of something. This is actually a snowmobile trail too. Really cool thing about this park so far is we have found they are like fully functioning year round. This place, they have cross-country skiing, snowmobiling. What else did they have? They have big sledding hills. It's really cool. They have a golf course, a disc golf course. They have this really cool lodge. I'm hoping to get some pictures of it. They say that all of this, the whole lake is fishable. I have found it's really only fishable if you have access to it. So there's a marina, a few fishing docks, really only accessible by like kayak, boat, canoe, things like that.
Yeah.
So, 8, definitely not warm enough to go swimming. This is the epitome of Ohio beaches though. Unless you're at the lake. Kui is not a beach girl. She's not a water girl. Evie is an everything girl. Did make it to the lake. A decent spot. Eating lunch. I already grabbed a bunch of worms, so I don't really want to eat right now. Coloring, eating lunch, fishing for a little while.
Hi guys. Can you see me? Yeah. Hi guys. Hey. A pool here. Fish here. Fish here. Mom. Me. What's up, guys?
There's a heron behind Koi, right there.
Abby. Don't do that. That's dangerous.
We stayed at the dock, I don't know, I think hour and a half, 2 hours or so. We caught one bluegill and we managed to lose the fishing pole in the water. So I had to catch it with my fishing pole. The reel was not locked, so I had to unwind all of the reel. Thank God it was just one of the little Paw Patrol things. AJ decided to go for a run because he was bored, I suppose. And the dogs slept and the kids ate a bunch.
La 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 ba.
Miss Evie is tired. Huh, pretty girl. Miss Everest. Oh, Quee's. Oh, Quee's got to get surgery on her eyes soon. That's why they look like that. Ouchie. Such good girls. We just got back to the campsite. Boy's trying to sneak an entire bowl of pasta salad. We ended up doing about 3.3 miles. We had a lot of fun. I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit longer. Maybe ride some bikes. Maybe head down to the playground for a little bit and play. And then make dinner. I'm gonna probably pack everything up tonight or get majority of it packed up. Just so we can leave early in the morning. Boy made his plate. Yum.
Crew does a little trick before she...
These girls are whooped. Oh, sleepy babies. I just brushed my hair, washed my face, getting ready for the night. We're not gonna do showers tonight just because we plan on leaving pretty early. AJ will unpack all the camper, bring it in. I have quite a few things to fix and that we want to change for the rest of the season. This is our third trip this season. Our other two were like horrible downpours every second of every day, the whole time. Like we had to suit up in full rain gear to do anything because it was just a downpour. We were in Shenandoah for a week, and then we were just in another local state park in Ohio, and it was horrible. So this is like our first really nice weekend. Yeah, we're getting ready to load up for another trip in I think 2 weeks. We're going to Salt Fork, and we're actually going to take my grandma with us. I'm really excited about that. This is kind of it for last night. We did 3 nights here. I didn't do any filming on Friday just because we got in, we kind of goofed off and just cooked and chilled. What? Can you see that? A log just fell out of my fire. Okay, well, I'm gonna fix that and say goodnight for the night. It's currently 8:30 and that's it. Everything's packed up. AJ will now just back the truck up. I'll hook them up and I will lift all the jacks, take everything out and put it in and get in the truck. And then we are off.